Greetings of the day. I am Dr. Jagdeep Singh. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Professional Management Studies at Krishna Janti College, Bangalore. So today's agenda is to understand what is logistics. So that is first unit of our subject, logistics and supply chain management. So we will start that. Maybe this is the agenda. You can see meaning, concept, objectives, and types of logistics. So going through this consequent PPTs, we will try to learn these all things. Now, what is the meaning of logistics? What it stands for? Okay, so let's understand. Logistics refers to the process of managing and flow of process of managing the flow of resources, materials, and information across the supply chain to meet customers' requirements. It includes various activities such as procurement, transportation, warehousing, inventory management, packaging, and distribution. The primary focus of logistics is to ensure that the right products reaches to the right place at the right time in the right conditions. So this is the meaning of logistics. Now the concept of logistics. The concept involves two main aspects. First one is strategic aspect. Another one is operational aspects. So maybe we can start with strategically how that logistics management aspect is logistics management, strategically how that logistics management maybe involves, right? So logistics management aims to align the movement of goods with the business objectives, customer demands, and market trends. How that operationally logistics aspects maybe works, right? So it involves the execution of specific activities that contributes to the efficient movement of goods. These activities include sourcing, transportation, planning, inventory management, packaging, and delivery. So this is how. Now, objectives of logistics. The objectives of logistics management depends on organization and industry. However, some of the objectives we can discuss now. First one is cost reduction. Effective logistics management aims to minimize costs associated with transportation, warehousing, inventory holding, and order processing. Second one is service improvement. Logistics seeks to enhance customer satisfaction by ensuring timely deliveries, efficient order processing, and overall responsiveness to the customer needs. Third one is inventory optimization. Proper logistics management helps to maintain optimal level of inventory, reducing excess stock or excess inventory, and minimizing carrying cost while preventing stockouts at the same time. Fourth one is operational efficiency. Logistics focuses on streamlining processes, minimizing bottlenecks, and enhancing efficiency throughout the supply chain to achieve cost-effective operations. Fifth one is risk mitigation. Logistics management involves assessing and minimizing risk associated with supply chain disruptions such as natural disasters, political instability, or supplier issues. Next one, that is 6 R's, basically 4 R's. To ensure that right product reaches to right place or to right customers at the right time in the right condition. So this is also very important. And seventh and finally, we need to understand that what is sustainability. So that is one of the logistics objective. So implementing environmental friendly practices, reducing wastes, and optimizing transportation to minimize the environmental aspects. Maybe we can use vehicle maybe with the electric vehicles, or maybe vehicles which are operated by CNG, maybe some other. And also in packaging side, we can use maybe wooden, instead of wooden packaging, we can use maybe that crates, bins, or maybe that metal packaging. So this is how. And now, final topic of today's discussion is types of logistics. So we have got fundamentally 4 types of logistics. First one is inbound logistics. Inbound logistics basically that starts from suppliers taking care of your material components or work in progress inventory from your suppliers to the manufacturing location. So we are bringing those all supply basically components, work in process inventory, or raw materials from the suppliers, different suppliers, to the manufacturing location. What is internal logistics? So next one is internal logistics. It supports the production, manufacturing, or assembly, right, activities at the plant. So whatever the raw material component or work in progress inventory which is lying at the raw material warehouse, we are taking from there and we are internally shifting to the production lines. That is how this is known as internal logistics. What is outbound logistics? So next one is outbound logistics. So outbound logistics encompasses the activities involved in delivering finished products from the production facility to the end customer or distribution centers, right? So whatever that is distribution side logistics. So whatever in manufacturing, whatever we manufacture products, right? So these products has to reach to the end consumer through maybe different channels, maybe wholesalers or retailers, right? So this is known as outbound logistics. Another type of logistics, that is fourth one, that is reverse logistics. So what is reverse logistics? So reverse logistics deals with the process associated with returning, reusing, or disposing of products that are damaged, maybe expired, or no longer required. So these kind of inventories that will be returned back to the original sellers, right? Maybe in case of manufacturing, manufacturer, they are buying raw material components maybe from suppliers. So anything goes wrong or any wrong material or damaged parts or materials, that will be shipped back to the suppliers. And again, if we as a manufacturer, we are maybe producing some products, right? If suppose they are delivered to the end consumer and they have got some issues, so definitely they will return it back to the manufacturing location. So this is how we have finished this topic on logistics introduction. Thank you so much. Greetings of the day. Dear learners, I am Dr. Jagdeep Singh. I am working as an assistant professor at Jayanti College, Bangalore. Today we are going to learn fundamentals of business intelligence. So introduction to business intelligence. So how that business intelligence works. So first step, there are different steps. So first step is data collection. Second step is data storage and management. Third step is data processing and analysis. Fourth step, that is data visualization and reporting. And fifth step, that is actionable insights. That is how later on, that is sixth is processing towards sixth step, and we are making decisions. We are taking decisions from that insights, right? So this is how. Next one, what is the business intelligence? So the process, it is a process of collecting, analyzing, and transforming raw data into actionable insights for business purposes, is known as business intelligence. It helps business organizations in terms of making informed decisions, enhancing performances, and gaining competitive edge over the competitors. What is business intelligence? Again, we need to understand in depth. Business intelligence is a technology-driven process for analyzing data and presenting actionable information to help executives, managers, and other corporate end users make informed business decisions. It's not just about collecting data, it's about transforming raw data into meaningful insights that drives strategic planning, operational efficiency, and improved profitability. The primary objective of BI project is to enhance business decisions, facilitating firm in increasing revenues, optimizing operational efficiency, and securing competitive advantage over rivals. To attain that objective, BI integrates a synthesis of analytics, data management, and reporting tools, together with the diverse approaches for data management and analysis. Okay, earlier BI was managed by the data analysts and IT teams. With the technology evolving to find viable solutions, we now have visualization and analytics technology in the form of BI that is available for everyone to use and benefit from. BI has made using past data to retrieve information, explore data, and discover new insights that can change the business strategy altogether. Business intelligence is a set of technological processes for collecting, managing, and analyzing organizational data to yield insights that inform business strategies and operations. Now we need to understand what is data processing processes in business intelligence. So there are 4 steps. So we will go through one by one. So first step is data collection. So data can be collected maybe from internal databases, customer interactions, web analytics, social media platforms, right? So these are the different sources of maybe internal and external data sources. Once identified various data sources, then we need to extract data from each source, which can be various formats, such as spreadsheets, database, etc. Before processing further, it's important to clean data by removing maybe duplicates or duplicacy of the data, various errors in data, or maybe inconsistencies in data to ensure that data is accurate and reliable for further analysis. Now, step 2, data integration. Business transform data into unified formats that is compatible and consistent across different data sources. This transformation involves standardizing data formats, organizing fields, and creating a unified data structure. This transformed data from various sources is merged into central repository or data warehouse. Maybe sometimes we call it data lakes, serving as the single source of truth for further analysis and reporting. Data sources in Power BI, you can see there are different data sources, maybe Excel, workbook, text, CSV files, XML, JSON, so many others, right? PDF, different data sources are there, right? Now, step 3, data analysis. Exploring data analysis, exploratory data analysis. Maybe data can be explored, right? It may not be having mathematical or maybe data sets, numerical data sets. Statistical modeling, data visualization, and machine learning algorithm. Using these techniques, business uncover basically customer behavior, market trends, operational efficiency, and product insights. You can see the data has to be refined and clean the data so that it can be analyzed properly. So at this stage, we will have the data maybe in reliable and accurate form. Now, to communicate findings effectively, business creates reports and visualization that present the insight in clear and understandable formats. And fourth step is decision making. These decisions can range from optimizing operational processes and refining marketing strategies to improving customer experience and identifying new business opportunities. Maybe business continuously monitor the impact of their decisions and actions using feedback loops and retrieve repetitive processes to refine strategies, adapt to changing market conditions, and improve overall performance. So these are the 4 steps in data processing in business intelligence. Thank you so much.